This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So let's continue. In last session, do you remember what we did? We created view, right? Let me share my screen. You should be able to see the screen now, right? Uh, yeah, right. So this is what we had done, correct? Um, let's see. So we had created this dictionary, and based on the number, it would redirect us. Okay, it would redirect to the month, right? Okay. Now what we'll do is we will try to add some static files. Okay, we can add some font. Okay, we have done template, right? So we'll understand what is template. Okay, so so what is template? We have done 9 templates. So what is template? Meanwhile, I'll start the server. What is template, guys?
The template is a static HTML file where we can put our um, HTML code and CSS and other thing, and we show our variable.
Yes, right. So template, as the name suggests, it's a it's a template that we can create. Okay, HTML template, CSS template, font template, image, all those things. Okay, and we can call wherever we want. Okay, 1 second. Close my WhatsApp. Okay, so let's say we'll create our first start page. Okay, so to create static page, okay, so you have challenges here, and this is our monthly challenge. Okay, so now you can decide where you want to create. You can create in the app or in the project. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create in the app itself. So this is my app challenges. Okay, and I'll create a folder called templates where I'll store all my templates. Okay, so I'll create a directory and I'll call it as templates. Okay, let's go and see if app is working fine. http://127. right? Yeah, this is what we had done last week. Okay. So yes, so we created a folder called templates. Okay. Inside that, we will add another folder for this app. Okay. So generally, we create. Okay. So specific to this app, we'll add it here. Okay. Now inside this, okay, let me create a HTML page. Okay. So I'm going to call it as okay, so let me call it as challenge.html. Okay, so we created this page, right? We created this page. Okay, we can add our own code, but we have to register it as well, right? Okay, so let's add some text first.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if it will put slash also, no, sir. If you insert another folder, if you create another folder.
Yes.
Hello, hello, sir. If you
Yes.
create
Yes.
another folder,
Correct. I can hear you. Tell me.
if you create another folder inside the folder,
Uh-huh.
it will put a slash also, no, sir. Means templates slash challenges.
No, while calling we will do that, right? Yes, while calling we will do that. Okay.
Okay,
We will
sir.
do that while
Means
calling.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we'll put a static page here. I'm going to say my monthly challenges or something like that. Okay. And okay. And let me add some static content here first. Okay. So I'm going to say H1 and here challenge. I'll put, let's say, H2. Okay. So say this one, and I say uh, okay. So let's say this is a fixed content. Okay. Now, how do we send this to to the client, to the view? Right. We need view to send this. Right. If I have to display this template, I need the help of view, isn't it? So I'll go to views. Okay. Right. And I will call template loader, isn't it? I'll call template loader, right? So because that's how we can load the template here in the view. Okay, view is one that is getting called. So view should load the template. So what is the package from where we call? So we'll call it from Django template loader. Django dot template dot loader. Okay, and I'm going to import render to string. Okay. Okay, so render to string. Okay, okay. So now in the when we call the response data, right? Okay, let me show you this. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is the actual thing, right? So here, okay, we will create a response data. And response data we will call the HTML file. Okay. So when somebody uses it, I want to call the template file. So inside try, okay, this is the valid month number, right? So I'm going to say something like response data equal to render to string, okay, and I'm going to call the HTML file. So where is this HTML file? Okay, so this template I'm going to register. Okay, I'll register this template. So from here it is in challenges/challenge.html. So I'll say challenges slash challenge.html, right? That is the file here, right? Challenge.html, right? Okay. So now we need to go and add this file. Okay. So where do we add this? In the settings. Okay. Okay. So yeah, templates, right? So here this is the structure for adding templates. Okay. So we will add our structure here. So here if I go, okay, and I'm going to say the base directory for template. Okay, so base directory. Okay, base directory is where, so it is the base directory. Okay, and so base directory is what is our challenges, isn't it? So I'm saying in base directory, okay, this is a monthly challenge, right? Slash your app name, right? So, okay, so this is the base directory monthly. From here, go to challenges, and from here, go to templates, right? So templates path has been added to the monthly challenge here, correct? So base directory challenges templates have been added, okay? And now, okay, in templates, I'm calling the HTML, right? So now the connection is complete, isn't it? Yes. Now here you go to installed apps. This is database settings. Okay, install apps. So install apps, we don't have the challenges, right? So we can even add our app here. Now, advantage of adding app here is this is our app, right? And by default, it will be under project folder. Now, advantage of adding challenges here is that you don't have to give base directory slash challenges. Okay, it will. Okay, when we add challenges here, okay, if we add challenges, we can delete this part. Okay, we can delete this part because Python already, I mean Django already knows that okay, you have a challenges app. Okay, so when you are adding a file, right? Let's say I go here to the here, and let's say I say challenges. So it will go and check in the settings. Okay, it will go and check in the settings. When I say January, it will go and check in the settings, and it will check for challenges as a folder in every installed apps. Okay, that's the advantage. Okay, now I can put something which is like admin, right? So if I put admin, it will go and check in the all the installed apps where the admin is, right? Now here you see install apps, we have admin, right? We do have admin, right? So in this case, it will be able to open admin for us. Okay, but if we do not put in the install apps, it will not know admin, right? Try again. Okay, so did we? Okay, in the view we have not added, right? In the view we have not added, so it's not able to capture. So yeah, right. So in the view, okay, it has to be there so that it knows where to go and search for. So now that we have added in challenges here, okay, we can skip this two part as well. Okay. Now anyway, let's go and see how to get that template. Okay. So we'll go to view. Okay. Okay. And we have this here, right? Response. Okay. Uh, okay. So rest. So I'm thinking instead of response data, okay, let's directly return this part. Okay. That means if this part is true, okay, we will directly return this path here. So I'm going to say return. Okay. So in return, we don't have to say string. Return, and we always have to pass request, isn't it, when you're returning? Okay, done. Request is not there. Requests, right? Sorry. Okay. Now let's go here and say challenges. Okay. Oh, this stopped. Server stopped. There's an error. So there's an error. Okay. Unsupported operand. Okay. And we made an error here. So let me go and fix it. In settings, it says settings is down. Oh, what happened? Challenge, that is the folder name, right? It says unsupported of when string and string. Require. Wait, guys, okay. Okay, so instead if I give plus, okay, let's see this. Go, okay, and if I call January, okay, so see this. It is calling the template, correct? Clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Hello. What did we do so far today?
Sorry, sir.
Bilal,
What you said?
I'm asking Bilal. Bilal, what did we do today? Bilal. Avinav, how are you feeling now? Are you feeling better?
Somewhat better, sir.
You want to tell what did we do today so far?
Sir, template creation, sir.
Okay, and then what did we do? So what are the steps in template creation?
What's that?
What are the steps? What are the steps?
First, you want to go install the app, sir.
Okay,